Welcome back. In this video, we'll learn about the planet Neptune. This planet is somehow warmer than Uranus, even though, as I'm pretty sure you know, it is further. You know that, right? Anyways, let's get started. Like the rest of the solar system, we think that Neptune was formed around 4.5 billion years ago. Just like Uranus, Neptune is thought to have formed in the inner solar system, but then moved away later. Another striking similarity between the two is that they are ice giants. Of all the outer planets, Neptune is the densest, meaning that 1 liter of Neptune would weigh more than on average any other planet in the outer solar system. Some scientists believe that underneath the clouds of the planet there is a large body of very hot water, but it is not boiling due to the very, very high pressure. Near the core, it is predicted to have pressures around 7 million bar. Just like all the gas giants, Neptune has no known surface. Its atmosphere is mostly made of hydrogen and helium, but it also has a tiny bit of methane. This atmosphere is what extends near the core, but then it liquefies due to the extreme pressures. As you might know, Neptune has extreme winds. Even though it gets very little energy from the sun, Neptune has winds that are roughly 3 times as strong as Jupiter's and almost 9 times as powerful as our Earth's. These winds move the solid methane clouds at a tremendous speed of more than 2,100 kilometers per hour, or 2,100. For comparison, Earth's fastest winds generally never exceed 400 kilometers per hour. A weird thing is that most winds on the planet go opposite to the rotation of the planet. Neptune is known to have a minimum of at least 5 main rings and 4 prominent ring arcs. The name of these rings is, going from the nearest to the planet to the farthest of the planet, are Gale, which is also the nearest, Leverrier, Lassell, Arago, and Adams, which is the furthest. These rings are thought to be relatively young, and people don't think they'll live for too long. The rings also have clumps of dust, and these are known to be arcs. The more famous arcs are in the Adams ring. Their names are Courage, Liberté, Égalité, Fraternité, and these mean liberty, equality, and fraternity, respectively. These are famous because instead of being all over the place, they're close together. One possible reason is the Neptunian moon Galatia's gravitational pull. A fact you most probably don't know about Neptune is that it has the biggest field of gravitational influence. That gives it the ability to have very, very far moons from itself. This includes the record holder for the furthest moon from its host planet, Neso. Neso's orbital period is more than 26 Earth years, and it is more than 48 million kilometers from Neptune. Neptune has such a big space of influence because of its high mass, or is very heavy, and because of how far it is from the Sun. Because of how far it is from the Sun has less influence, and Neptune has more. Now, Neptune is the planet the furthest from the Sun, and now you know about it. But there is another celestial body in our solar system that we think you should learn more about. It's called Sol. Sol. Never heard about it? That is, in fact, just another name for the sun. See you there.